Hello everyone, my name is Hamid Ghulam Rezai or Ghulam Reza. Welcome to this lesson. In this tutorial, we will learn the facade lighting of the building in the Sketchup and with the help of V-Ray plugin. We place the light source in the desired place and we must choose the rectangular light. And to throw more light, we can close the directional option to the number 1. Try to use the LIGHTMIX feature in V-Ray for better lighting. This tool will help you to have better lighting, especially when the number of your lights increases. In the following video, you will see an example for today's training.